Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating legal concept called criminal simulation. It sounds complex, but it's really about faking things. We'll break it down into simple terms. Criminal simulation is essentially making or possessing something that looks genuine but is actually fake, all with the intent to deceive someone. Think of it as creating an illusion for a wrongful purpose. This isn't just about playing a prank. It's about serious deception. For instance, you could be simulating an official document. You might be creating a fake ID card. Perhaps you are making counterfeit money. Maybe you're even faking a college degree or a professional license. The core idea is that the item you create or hold looks real enough to fool an average person. It must appear authentic. There are a few key elements that make this a crime. First, there's the act itself, either making, altering, or possessing the simulated item. Second, the item must truly resemble an actual official document, currency, or other valuable instrument. It needs to be convincing. Third, and most importantly, you must have the specific intent to defraud or harm someone with that fake item. You plan to trick them. You want to gain something unfairly. Or you want to cause them a loss. Without this intent, it might not be criminal simulation, even if you made a fake item. For example, making a prop for a movie isn't usually a crime. But making that same prop to pass it off as real in a transaction is. The law takes this very seriously. Why? Because it erodes trust. It can lead to significant financial damage. It can also enable other serious crimes, like fraud or identity theft. People rely on the authenticity of documents and currency. When that trust is broken, the system suffers. The penalties for criminal simulation can vary widely. They depend on the specific item simulated. They also depend on the jurisdiction where the crime occurs. You could face hefty fines. You might even face significant jail time. It is a serious offense with real consequences. Understanding this concept helps us appreciate the importance of authenticity in our society. It highlights why we must be vigilant against deception. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about criminal simulation. If you found this information helpful, please consider supporting the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. We really appreciate it.